90% of drivers have no idea their own car is hiding features that could save them thousands of dollars. You use your car every day, but there are buttons you've never touched, functions you've never understood, and systems that could literally save you money, time, and stress. And the worst part, one of these buttons is right in front of you and almost everyone ignores it. Before we begin, leave a comment below. Which button on the control panel did you not understand at all? If you're ready, let's begin. You're leaving a mall parking lot. Your hands are full. You forgot where you parked. So you press the key fob again and again, like it's going to magically work from 100 meters away. Here's the trick nobody tells you. Put the key fob against your head. Yes, your head. It's not a joke. It's physics. Your body, especially your head, is full of water. That water helps amplify the signal from the key fob. Normally, the signal reaches about 30 feet. With this trick, it can reach 3 times farther. Less walking, less frustration, more time enjoying your AC instead of wandering the parking lot like a lost zombie. Comment below. Did you know this trick, or will you try it next time? Secret number 8. You're stuck in traffic. It's hot, and the truck in front of you is pumping exhaust straight into your car. Most drivers don't realize their car already has a shield against this. That small button with a circular arrow inside a car, that's air recirculation mode. When you press it, your car stops pulling dirty air from outside. No exhaust fumes, no dust, no pollution. Instead, it recirculates the clean air already inside the cabin. That means 2 big benefits. You breathe cleaner air, and your AC cools up to 20% faster. It also helps your cabin air filter last longer. Less maintenance, less money spent. So next time you see that circular arrow button, remember, it's not decoration, it's protection. Imagine this. You're stuck in traffic. Cars everywhere. No space to move. Suddenly, your battery dies. The engine shuts off. You try to shift into neutral, but the gear won't move. Panic starts. Horns begin to honk. What most drivers don't know is this. Every automatic car has a hidden emergency evacuation mechanism. Yes, my friends, it really does. It's called the shift lock release. Sometimes it's under a small cover. Sometimes inside a tiny hole. Press it, and the gear unlocks, even with a dead battery. No tow truck, no waiting, no embarrassment. When this video ends, go check where this button is in your car. Knowing it once can save you hours of stress. You're driving as usual, then suddenly, a small snowflake symbol appears on your dashboard. You might be wondering what it is. Most drivers think it's just decoration, a random symbol, nothing important. But that icon is actually a warning. It means the outside temperature is low enough for the road to become slippery. In cold weather, this alert can save you from an unexpected skid. In some cars, the warning even changes color as conditions get more dangerous. It's like your car telling you slow down. The road can't be trusted. And this isn't just for luxury cars. Many modern vehicles already have this feature. So next time you see that snowflake, don't ignore it. It might be warning you before the road does. You look at your fuel gauge. It says you still have gas, so you keep driving. But that gauge isn't showing real fuel. It's showing an estimate. It changes based on speed, hills, traffic, and even how hard you press the gas. That's why sometimes it drops fast and surprises you. The real clue isn't the gauge, it's your driving habits. Drive aggressively, and your fuel disappears faster than you expect. Cold morning. Your rear window is fogged up, so you press one button. You think it only clears fog and ice? But in many cars, it also activates your side mirror heaters. That means better visibility without pressing anything else. Most people never realize this and drive half blind in winter. Next time it's cold, one button clears more than you expect. One day, a yellow light appears on your dashboard. You keep driving. Most people think it means a flat tire, but it's actually tracking air pressure changes. Even small pressure drops affect braking and control. You usually can't feel it while driving. That light isn't panic, it's prevention. Driving at night feels calm until something appears too late. Your eyes only see as far as your headlights allow. But some cars see far beyond that. They use infrared cameras to detect heat, people, animals, even vehicles without lights. The car warns you before danger becomes visible. Today it's luxury. Tomorrow it'll be standard. Most people drive the same car for years and never discover what it can really do. One of these secrets could save you money, another could save your time, and one day, one of them could save your life. Now tell me in the comments, which secret surprised you the most? How many of these did you actually know? If you learned even one new thing, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to drive smarter, not harder. Next video, even crazier car features most drivers still ignore. See you there.